All right, good morning, everybody. I'm not going to do a lot of talking today because my mouth is swollen because I have a tooth infection and it hurts. But we have stuff to do, so let's get started. Pick me up some tires, some used rims and tires for the truck. I'm going to throw at least one of them on the front of the truck because it's bold. So we got to do that. She got really bad. Ooh, baby, that's scary. That's not good. So we're going to change that out real quick. And then I have a dishwasher to pick up. And I got some other stuff to scrap out. I'll probably do the head-to-head microwaves because that's pretty easy and I don't have to do a lot of talking. We got the old spacemaker from back in the 80s, I'm guessing, from the wood grain. I don't think it's that old where it's from the 70s. But old GE spacemaker too. We're going to put that up against the new one and see how much copper we get out of each, which I can guarantee this is going to win just by the weight of it. It's amazingly heavy. So anyway, I'm going to pull the truck out and get that tire on. And then we're going to go from there. We'll go pick up that washer, dishwasher. I had 2 dishwashers we got to tear down. I did do a job yesterday, but they hired somebody else and the person screwed up the installation of their wall oven. So they kicked the guy out and told him not to come back. Basically, he finished, kind of finished most things. There was a problem with the wire that was in the way of the machine going back out there, and it needed to be fished into the box properly because it was some funky stuff. And no, I did not film it because my mouth was killing me. I just went to the dentist yesterday. I was up all weekend not sleeping because I was in so much pain. And yeah, my mouth's all swollen and I'm taking antibiotics and all that good fun stuff now. And yeah, so I went there, I removed the wall oven, fished the wire through the box properly, mounted the box for the wall oven in the proper spot, and put that back. I flipped the fan for his microwave because the person didn't have the fan venting to the proper direction. And then I mounted properly a cooktop. And all that which a person was charging $1,200 to install, brought 3 people to install that. I went and did with one person and got the job done properly and right. So if you know what you're doing, do it. If you don't touch things you don't know what you're doing. I mean, come on, man. If you can't install a wall oven properly, or a cooktop, I mean, there's literally 2 straps that screw to the sides and screw to the freaking cabinet. That's all you had to do. Like, stupid shit. People don't, think. But anyway, I'm going to get this tire changed out real quick and we'll go from there. There it is. It's back here. Sorry, my mouth is killing me. I didn't film it picking it up, but there she is. It doesn't work, so it doesn't matter what I do to it. But we're going to scrap her out later. And I have another one to do too. So I'll be back. We're going to probably do the microwaves real quick, like I said, because that's simple. And I don't have to talk too much. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Sorry if you can't understand a word I'm saying. I'm going to empty the bucket out from the last time. And then we're going to get started on these 2 microwaves. Get ye number 2 bucket out. Ooh, scary. Don't fall. Not much in there, but they grow quick. Let's see if we can add to that. All right. Stuff that needs to be sorted. Look at that brown cord. Man, this thing's so old it don't even got a date on it. We're gonna start with this bad boy. Then we'll move on to the other one. I'm sure we're gonna get more copper out of this just by the weight of it. £36. Ten ounces. I hope y'all can see that. I don't really want to mess with the camera right now. Sorry. 36 pounds, 10 ounces. I don't know why I'm turning that off. Let's get the competitor. The frig was that? And the competitor, 30 pounds, 11 ounces. Big difference in weight. And that one's got the plate in it where this one doesn't. I don't think. Could be wrong. There she is in all her glory. Thing's in really nice shape, actually. I ain't plugging it into anything, sorry. That's not what I do. Where's my bucket? let's do what we do. Wow, I'm doing good today. Bam. Double copper looks like. This thing still got the electronic manual to rebuild it, repair it in here. Printed in Japan. That's how they did it back in the day. They helped you fix things. How the world's changed. Look at this wiring diagram. Schematic. All right, well, that's cool. Weird capacitor with three plug-ins on it. I didn't plug that in because I wasn't using it. Maybe it was. I don't know. It doesn't matter. This thing's repairable, serviceable. It's amazing. And here I am ripping it apart. This thing's probably older than I am. Closest thing I come to a date on here might be 71. But I don't know. Put the wires up there. You can almost guarantee that bad boy's full of some bad stuff. Oh, baby, what we came for? Copper. And you guessed it, baby. Copper. That's a fan here. Let's hold that bad boy on. No safety on this bad boy on. Good crap. If you're a technician, you know what the heck you're doing back then. They didn't care, fry guys. Going. Yeah, it's definitely old. That thing was green. Look at those big ass silver traces. Holy crap. Wow. Look at that giant ground. This thing's gotta be old as heck. Cha-ching. That's all silver. It's like a big foil sheet of silver. That's amazing. No wonder these things cost so much money back in the day. That's it. The rest of it's $10. Keeping them schematics. I don't know why. They're just cool. All right. Let's weigh up the copper bearing. Less than a pound of wire. Imagine that. Not a big deal. If we throw our motors on here, that's all copper. Who knows? These could be silver traces on here. I'm going to throw the whole thing on there. We're just going to throw all the copper bearing on there. Not even 4 pounds of copper bearing. We're going to crack this bad boy open. I just want to strip the other one apart real quick. I want to see how much copper we get out of this. Some really nice contacts on that. Ah, shoot. Oh, there it is. The little spool. That bad boy got some burn marks on it. Anyway, we'll clean up that copper off of that in a little bit. Let's weigh up the other one. We already weighed the other one. You can tell it's a new one. Safety. They didn't have safety back in the day. You just didn't be stupid. Now everything's got safety crap on it. Safety screws, this, that, and the other thing. That's all the old stuff. Oops. Heck of a lot later. Double linen. Told you. All these new ones are double linen. Tiny little copper motor. Almost no more taking off. Almost. Not that big linen inside back on now. Okay. Tiny little board. Nice stainless. Okay. I'll crack it out just because. I'm doing my little demo. Now with that screwdriver, I think this will work. Where the heck are my razor knives? Tiny little silver board. That thing's stout too, man. That stuff bends almost, holds itself. That's a crazy amount of silver. A tiny little crap amount. That's why microwaves cost so much back in the day. All right. One more thing to do. And that's to cut open, you know. motor. As you can see on this one, you barely get any copper bearing. That's about it. So I'm not even going to weigh it up because there's no point. The old one won. But let's continue to clean. This is the double aluminum. This will go straight out to the aluminum breakage crap. Maybe it'll give us motor price or something. I don't know. Maybe they got their own price for them. Let's get to the important stuff here, people. Sorry. Let's break this bad boy open. Yeah, she looks splittable. My favorite chunk of wood. My favorite BFH. If you don't know what a BFH is, look it up. It's a big something hammer. I'll put it to you that way. Not messing around building stuff back in the day, I'll tell you that much. Now, like the last time, let's look for where the brake is. Hit the right side of the transformer. How much better they built stuff. I was thinking the 70s or 80s, that's old. That's built right. Ooh-wee! Sorry, it's one of the few days we're actually, it's like spring weather here. And we're going back cold and warm and cold and warm. It's like a freaking roller coaster. Man, they're too long. Oh, one free looks to get to the bottom of that pot. Oh, yeah, lollipop. Kappa, kappa. All right. I'm gonna leave the rest of the tip off later when I'm feeling better. My mouth's starting to hurt. I'm getting tired of being here. Insulate it. All that inside there is clean, number 2. And there. That's awesome. It's got to be cleaned up, but it goes right in here. It's a good amount. That was definitely worth it. Made in China. Made in Japan. Machitsu Electric Industrial Company. Look almost exactly the same. The old one's a little bigger, imagine that. Kind of. It's different shape. It's definitely heavier. The magnets weigh more, that's for sure. There'll be a giant piece of copper in there, the same as that one. 2 magnets, a little bit of brass. Same as all of them. Smaller piece of brass than normal. I'm just going to toss that in there so I can put it in the brass later. Now this is the old one, right? Yeah. So, I don't want to mess with that stuff because at its age, it's probably has beryllium in it, which is very, very bad. If inhaled. And seeing as I already had cancer once, I do not want to get some other kind of weird cancer that I've never even heard of from this. I did not have lung cancer, don't get me wrong. But still, I don't want some other kind of cancer. Especially some weird preventable one. Take my old magnet. Mine. Like, where's the other magnet? It says I'm staying with that thing. Whoa. Holy crap. Oh, those are some good magnets. That make new magnets look like crap. And this shit drag and stuff. Alright. So I'm going to leave the fins on this until I go ahead and cut these, because I don't know if I even want to mess with this one. And just in case, I'm going to stick it over there. I mean, they're all different colors and all, but from its age, I'm just going to go ahead and say it contains some bad stuffs. Piece of brass. Man, wow, them old ones are serious. And twice the size. Wow, they are. Man, old ones are serious. Them some serious magnets. I'm gonna keep them separate like that. Not much in size difference in the magnetron. A little bit more aluminum finish, bigger rotor, and probably a lot more crappy chemicals in it. Yeah, basically look the same. More ceramic on the end. And it probably most likely contains some dangerous chemicals. Due to its age. In fact, that back in the 70s and early 80s, they didn't give a damn. Anyway, that go right in there. You know how we do. And then you clean up your fins. And get your little rotor out of there. Same with the old one. Oops. Just a bucket. Aluminum. It's all mixed aluminum if you don't know. There might be some other stuff wrapped in there. There shouldn't be, but it's all got to be sorted out anyway. I haven't been on the top of my game recently because of everything that's been going on. And now I got a tooth infection. I really ain't on the top of my game. Copper. Crap, copper. And a whole bunch of them, all different pretty colors. We got that little spool of copper to clean up from the relay. We'll do that later. Let's bust this big relay open and see what's in there. How'd I guess? Relay. know what we do with relays. It's got two giant silver contacts in there. That's that old school giant silver contacts. Silver was cheap as heck back in the day. All depends on when you buy your silvers, how much it's going to be worth. Set that over there for now. And then you bust that open, that's all copper in there. I am down my diagonal cutters because I broke them, I believe. So that's what I would normally do this with. So I'm just going to store these up for now in the copper bin, copper bearing bin. We got the board. Nothing special. A couple small silver pieces there. Old CPU chip. And there's some silver in them old capacitors and stuff, the little flat ones right there. And I think these too, but I'm not sure. I mostly want that. Get that out the way. Oh, shoot. Did not want that in there. No, copper traces. One could hope, but they're not. They're copper. No silver traces. Oops, wrong bin again. Well, that's getting sorted anyway. Got our copper transformers. We'll throw that in here. Well, it's way up. How much copper we got? Number 2 we got from them 2 microwaves, which most of it's from 1 microwave. I mean, there's a little bit more on a fan somewhere from the other one. Where is that fan? I'm missing a fan. Oh, there it is. A little bit on there. There's the transformers and stuff I didn't cut. We'll get to that next time. I'm just going to save them all up for now. And then we'll break them apart later on. We'll do another copper cleanup. We got to remove 2.2 ounces from this. 2.2 pounds, so 1 pound 10 ounces minus these 2 pieces of brass. So out of those 2, we got just about, and with the other copper, probably have close to 2 pounds of copper out of them. which isn't bad. So we still got the bunch of motors to clean up. A couple transformers, some motors. We got that wire. So all in all, we pulled about 2 pounds of copper out of those. And most of it's because of this. But I mean, what can I say? Double copper transformers. That's a pound right there. That's $4 just on that transformer. Not including the magnetron rotor. I ain't cleaned them up yet. You know, you got the little bit of steel, but hey. There's all that to clean up out of those few things, and for the most part, there's maybe a couple things from something else in here, a couple transformers, but that's better than nothing. I'm going to call this video for today because I'm in pain. I'd like to thank you guys for hitting that like, subscribe, and sharing buttons. And please keep on hitting them. Hit that like button if you did like the video. I'm going to throw the wire out in the wire bin. That's pretty much going to be it for today. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Be good. We got the new rims on. Well, on one tire, the bad tire. I think the new one's better. Right there is why I changed that tire. There ain't nothing left on that side. That's before I fixed the truck. So it wore all crazy like. But that's kind of a Ford thing because these are the other tires from that set. But I like the rims better. There's the old one. There's the new one. I think I'm gonna put the new ones on.